This is the cream of the crop. You guys are fabulous. You're the best at what you do. And I couldn't be more proud of what you stand for and what you do for Filtrine.
Patience. While we have to retain that caring about our customer, that striving for excellence and doing the best that we can, preserving our spot as the best chiller and drinking manufacturer in the country, we also need to be patient. We're all really, really fortunate. We've got lots of work coming in the door, lots of work for everybody to do. That's a big deal, and that's not the case with everybody.
We're blessed in that we're making one-of-a-kind type products. We need you. You're a source of product that we can't live without.
If you didn't care, or we didn't care about being the best chiller made in the USA, it wouldn't matter. But I've just been so impressed by everybody in the company. And you get to come into work every day and build something that you can be proud of. And that's amazing. I mean, really amazing. Not everybody gets to say that when they go to work. Because we have an incredible, incredible company culture here of people that give a crap about what they're doing.